These biceps aren't gonna bulge themselves, are they? All right. Thanks for the boost, guys. It wasn't necessary, but I do appreciate it.
When I was 10 years old, I stole an ice cream bar from a 7-Eleven. And before I stole it, I read the ingredients to make sure it wasn't trafe. That's what I did, the guilt.
I'm doing my civic duty, Franklin. You haven't paid your power bill in 2 months.
There are actually more kids who want to be paratroopers than there are paratroopers. Did you always know you wanted to serve here?
שמעתי שיש לכם אחלה שווארמה. אני צמחוני, אז קצת חבל, אבל...
Not just jokes I'm doing up there. I tell my story.
So chances are, Jesus didn't get up on the mountain and say, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." No. Chances are, Jesus got up there and said, "Nu chevre, takshivu shniya."